Meaning of demob.
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 Demob. The term demob is short for demobilization, which refers to the process of discharging soldiers or military personnel and returning them to civilian life at the end of their service. Demob often involves paperwork, medical examinations, and training for a smooth transition back into society. After demob, individuals may have to adjust to life outside the military, including finding employment and adapting to civilian routines. Overall, demob represents a crucial step in the transition from military to civilian life and can have a significant impact on the well-being of those involved.